Guys, Lars here, aka Motor Bro, bringing y'all another adventure. Yes, we on the Pitty, and we're gonna have lots of fun today. Lots of fun. You know, to start this video off, what's a better way to start off than third gear wheelie? Woo! Not too bad for a little first warm-up wheelie, you know. So guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful Friday. It's just before the weekend for me. I got some big plans this weekend, going down to like Tampa. It's gonna be super fun. I can't wait for that. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time all around. I wish I had my freaking pit bike with me. Woo, damn, my wheelies are like pretty freaking dialed right now on these like sidewalks. Usually when I'm on these sidewalks, my wheelies suck. Oh, here's a jump. Ooh. 10-4. We got a biker in a green neon shirt in front of us. What should we do, sir? Back off. Victim is violent. We could always have some fun at the local basketball field. Some like pull-up wheelies. Oh shit! Damn, I had it pretty good. Just wheeling around a frickin' basketball court. No big deals, right? Let's go around this hoop. I can definitely hit a DD in here. It's pretty loud in here too. Right into the wall. I wonder if my friend Lee is home. I'm gonna go check him out, see if he's home. I'm gonna go check him out. I'm gonna see if he's at his house. A little DD. Little DD to know everyone knows that Motor Bro. These are Motor Bros. Motor Bros trails, you know? On the racetrack, coming in. This is for sure like a little like track you can make here. Probably get kicked out very quick, but oh shit, what do we got here? OMG guys, we got a freaking bomb, a freaking K12 bomb. We need to disarm it, guys. We need to disarm the code. Remember, always never touch the blue wire. Remember guys, never touch the blue wire. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. Which way shall we go? Holy crap! And my license plate just came off, bro. Alright, my bike is... God damn it, I should have hit my back brake. My bike seems good, guys. Only thing that is really fucked up are my pedals. My back plate has came off. We shall put it in the pocket. OMG, guys! I was not expecting this ride to go this way. Holy crap. Alright. Alright. Let's assess the damage. Let's assess the... Oh my god, I'm like spitting on myself. I'm freaking in shock right now. My heart's like... Alright. This is what we got on the damage wise. Alright. No motor damage at all. We're definitely going to need some new foot pegs. That is a fact. This one... Wait, we might have a foot peg on this side. Barely. We're barely. But look. No motor damage at all. We got a little bit of fender damage. But that's all good. We'll be back riding in no time, boys. Alright guys, lots more videos soon. The Pitty is down for a little, but it's fine. We're gonna have lots of more stuff to do. All that's wrong is the pedals, so that's like a really easy fix. So it'll be back in no time. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you guys want to see more, hit subscribe. Alrighty guys, peace!